Yeah, we didn't get any candy for their stockings.
What is
We
that?
got like
Oh.
2 things of candy for their stockings.
What is that, Lila? Are those Dora stickers? London, you want to come do your stocking? That's candy.
Yeah, look, I got this like Logan.
Just like Logan. You want to do your stocking? Here, Sissy. Hey, yeah, those are Lila's. Here. Lila, try to be nicer. Let me see. Earrings. What do you have, sis?
I have it here is this.
Is that perfume? That smell good. A sucker. That smell good stuff, Lila, so you smell pretty. Oh my goodness.
And I got another
What are those? Earrings? Gloves? What do you have, Sissy? Oh, you have a bunch of candy? That's some kind of, I think it's marshmallow stuff.
I love marshmallow.
Do you love it? More candy. You're going to have a lot of candy to eat later, huh? You like your baby doll, Sissy? Baby? Is that your baby? Oh my goodness! Look what you have, Lila.
Cool stuff.
Look at those big. Look at those mini socks. Look at Minnie. What are you doing, sis?
You want a piece of your candy?
Yeah. Okay. Which one are you gonna eat?
This one.
That one?
Yeah, I'll open it.
Okay.
Go out there and you got it.
Can you open it by yourself? Oh, chocolate.
Chocolate Santa Claus.
Chocolate Santa
This
Claus.
is the way.
Thank you. Do you want some? Get in your stocking. It's in your stocking. Lila, you probably want to pick your stuff up so Sissy doesn't get it.
Hey!